To find 37% of 250 without a calculator, start off by finding 10% of the number, which we do by dividing by 10. So that's 25. We can then find 5% of the number, which will be half of that, so 12.5. And we can also find 1%, which will be this divided by 10, or the original number divided by 100, so that's 2.5. Once we've got 10 and 1, we can find any combination for a percentage, but 5 just makes life a bit easier here. I'm going to need 3 lots of the 10%, so 30% is going to be worth 75. I'm going to use 1 lot of the 5%, which is 12.5, and I'm going to need 2 lots of the 1%, which will be 5, which when I total, I get the 37% I need, which will be 10, 12, carry the 1, 7, 8, 9, so that will be 92.5. 46% of 135 following the same pattern, so I'm going to use 10%, which will be 13.5 in this case. Again, 5% will be quite handy, so I'm going to use that, so half of this will be 6.75, and then 1% again, which is going to be 1.35 in this case. I'm going to need 4 lots of this, so I'm going to need 40%, which will be 4 of these, which will be 54. Just the 1 lot of the 5%, which is 6.75, and then 1%, which is 1.35. And then again, I can just total these together, which will give me the 46% I'm looking for, which will come to 10, carry the 1, 10, 11, put the point down, 10, 11, 12, carry the 1, so that will be 62.10. To do this with a calculator is far easier. If I want to find 17% with a calculator, I turn 17% into a decimal, which is 0.17, and I can simply times it straight away by the 42.61, which will give me an answer of 7.24 rounded to 2 decimal places. 98% works in the same way. I'm going to turn it into a decimal, 0.98 times by 47.8. So 0.98 times 47.8, which equals 46.84 again to 2 decimal places.